We're living in a world where everybody's just searching for love. And I guess in that, they're truly searching for God. We'll talk about it. Can you see my generation? Our actions is indicating that we look towards our idols for vindication. We can't open the Bible and imitate it. Really, we deserve your indignation. But true love, the reason why grace was demonstrated, integrated into the promise we've been awakened.
When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause boy, you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause boy, you're amazing.